So let me just give you a quick demo on my Google Assistant here of how this works, and then I'll dig into some of the details. How does content get in? What type of content's available? How do you get your content in? Let me just jump right in. I've got a Google Home Hub here that I'll show you guys. Hey Google, talk to Soar Audio.
Okay, let's get Soar Audio.
Soar Audio is ready.
What did Gary Vee say about voice?
Okay, streaming Gary Vee and voice.
I think it's very hard for us in this room at this moment, at this apex of text messaging and mobile addiction. I think it's hard for us to understand that there's a high likelihood that in 10 years, that so many of you are gonna give up on texting for voice AI devices. It's just hard to make
Google,
the leap.
skip.
Gary Vaynerchuk, the future of voice, customer service.
I grew up in a retail liquor store, and I would tell you that voice, I can already
Google,
make the pieces all the way backwards to it.
Listen to Brene Brown.
Okay, streaming Brene Brown.
So what is empathy, and why is it very different than sympathy? Empathy
Google,
fuels connection.
What did Paul Allen say about coaching?
Okay, streaming Paul Allen and coaching.
We actually believe that, as Clint was saying, coaches are looking for recurring revenue, and right now they get paid for their hours, and that's all they get paid for.
Google,
So in between,
teach me about investing.
Okay, streaming investing.
What are some of those red flags that maybe you could help us look for, that you guys look for, or you look for, to avoid making an investment?
Well, I think it's good to understand the environment that you sit
Google,
in.
stop.
The
So
mic's off.
as you can see, there's a whole world of language modeling around anticipating what kind of questions humans ask to learn and what kind of experience they want out of those questions. So you saw the listen to intent, what they call in voice computing. By the way, this system is live on Google Assistant, on any Alexa device, any smartphone, and the web. And so we'll show you a little bit more how to dig in. But we try to anticipate and build language models that understand human intent and then stream content and insights in response to that curiosity. So there's a million different ways you can ask for stuff. You can ask for definitions, you can search and find, and I'll spin up another demo here in a moment. This is the iPhone version, and you can see I've searched my content, and my content includes anything that I have permission to because I've subscribed to it, or I've uploaded it, or it's been shared with me in a private group. And I wanted to find a clip where I was talking to an investor about our Zoom integration, and here it is. I can see it right here. And it gives me the opportunity to play it right in my mobile app. I can push a button and play it on Alexa, push a button and play it on Google Assistant, either near me or on my Google Assistant app on my phone, or I can add this to a playlist and say, yeah, I want to add this here, or create a new playlist and organize that so I can come back to it later. Now, if I just wanted to kind of browse topics and categories, we've got some kind of sample data in here early right now. You can see a bunch of content around entrepreneurship, different topics, and of course, content around COVID-19 and coronavirus. And if I click on one of these and let's say I play it in allowing telework, if I wanted to listen to this, I can play it.
Organizations are implementing
here.
remote work arrangements for their employees due to the COVID-19 coronavirus outbreak, many for the first time.
But that, if you could hear that voice, that's text to speech. Now, when we do text to speech, we can choose one of 27 Amazon Poly voices, and we'll let our users set their preferences. Do they want a male or female? Do they want an American accent, British accent, Australian accent? Then, of course, within my library, I can find community content. Here's some playlists that were created by other people who are in the platform on early kind of user testing. And then there's premium category of subscription-based content.